Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at the Dell XPS 15. This is the 9510 series, one of the latest XPS laptops from Dell. The 15 is for the 15-inch screen. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look inside. So we got the laptop here. Pull that out, set that aside. We got our power cord, and then little booklets in there. Our power brick, which has a Type-C connector for the power. So this is compatible with Dell's latest Thunderbolt USB Type-C docking devices, so you can actually provide power through the charger or through the docking station. Here is it comes with a Type-C dongle, which gives you HDMI, USB 3.0, might be 2.0, and there's the little USB Type-C connector. Because this laptop has no ports except for that. That is everything in the box. Let's put that aside. So the power brick, pretty standard. There we go. So that's your power brick there. It is a 130 watt power brick. And then it has the USB Type-C connector there. And then inside this little package here, if there's anything important in here, probably not. Just a little user guide on the ports and a couple other legal documents. All right, here's the laptop itself. Go ahead and slide that out. Just to give you a view of all the different sides. So you can see you've got your Type-C plug, and that's maybe a memory card reader. I'll double check that. And then on the other side, you've got two more Type-Cs, and that's pretty much it. Not a lot of ports on this thing, and that's kind of how it's designed to be. So the power button is on, let's see, the right-hand side. Open this up here. So here's what it looks like in here. Full keyboard, big, huge trackpad. It's got a nice, almost bezel-less screen. You can see all the screen goes all the way to the edge there. So very nice looking screen. Obviously what you'd expect from this, a solid build quality. The XPS series is supposed to be high-end, so I would expect that for sure. There is, let's see, is it labeled? Neither one of these Type-C ports is labeled for power. The getting started guide, basically shows you plug in. So I don't know if you can actually charge it through either one. It shows it being plugged into the left-hand side, but there's two ports over here, so I'm guessing you can charge it through either one. And let's see. Oh, here we go. Power. Yep. So okay. So the two ports on this side, and it does explain this on the second page of the Getting Started guide. These two ports are Thunderbolt 4 and can deliver power. So that's where our docking station will go to plug in. I have a full docking station as well that I did another review on on my channel. So we have multiple display port outputs. That's all going to function out of that single port. And then this side is a USB Type-C, USB 3.2, and that is a SD card. Oops, that is an SD card reader there. So that is all the ports that you get. You have 3 Type-C, 1 SD card, and then 2 of the Type-C ports are for charging. You only need to use 1, obviously, at a time for charging. And there we go. So the specs on this particular one, it is a 512 gig NVMe solid state, 32, or actually I believe this has 64 gigs of RAM, a 3050 Ti, and then for the processor, I believe it's an i7, 11th generation i7. So that's kind of one of the reasons you would get an XPS machine. You want the higher specs, but in that low profile, easy to travel with. If you see my other video on my Alienware machine, that machine has a little bit better graphics card, similar specs, but it's a lot bulkier. The XPSs are going to be much thinner, kind of for business travel. And so, but you can get them decked out with some pretty decent specs as well. You're obviously not going to be able to get the highest end graphics cards and things like that you could in like a full Alienware. But the XPS machines, these aren't meant to be gaming machines. They're meant to be high-end business and or travel machines, things like that. So that is a look at the Dell XPS 159510. Again, what you would expect from a high-end laptop, very good quality, feels very well put together, everything's very clean and well put together. So if you have any questions on this, let me know in the video description, and appreciate you guys watching this video, and we'll see you all in the next video.